give me the dead people clothes. Give me the dead people clothes, because if I'm gonna be out. Welcome and welcome back to my planet. I am Amara. This is Planet Amara, and over here I focus on DIYs and good vibes. I'm gonna show you how I turn 2 thrifted jackets into my personal style. Let's get into it. I got this leather jacket from an estate sale, and when I tell y'all, when I first laid eyes on it, I was like, oh, you're coming home with me. I was not leaving without it. There is no belt. It was well worth it. I paid $80 for it. Word on the street is that when you go thrifting, you're wearing like dead people's clothes, which is crazy to me because I take my clothes to the Salvation Army. I take my clothes to the thrift shop all the time, and last I checked, I'm well alive and I'm thriving. So I don't know what that's about, but give me the dead people clothes. Give me the vintage. Give me it all. Give it to me. Give it to me. Okay, y'all. This is what it's giving, and let's get into it. Now for the trench, I have a pan of water with just a splash of detergent. I'm going to take this and thoroughly wipe down this entire coat. I forgot to mention that this leather jacket is 100% genuine leather. I wish you guys could smell it, feel it, taste it. It's amazing. I'm just so happy with it, and the fact that I got it for $80, top tier, top tier. So I have my iron that is already heated up. I'm going to go ahead and iron it out. If you do have a steamer, it's the best to steam it. I do have a steamer, however, I just like being lazy sometimes, so I'm going to iron this out pretty lightly, not pressing hard at all. I also got this from a thrift shop. I forget the name of the thrift shop. I think it's Al Vintage in Brooklyn. I really love this. I think that I'm going to just add maybe some charms to it, because it's not much that I need to do with it, but I do also have to get rid of the lint balls on it, so I'm gonna work on that. I already washed it. I took it to the laundromat and I washed it, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by removing the lint balls. And then I think that this jacket is pretty cool, like I said. So the only thing that I want to do to this is go ahead and add some different pins, or maybe some patches, but definitely some pins. This is what I would like to call your budget-friendly way, because I'm pretty sure everyone has a scissors, everyone has some tape. But what everyone does not have is a lint remover, specifically an electric lint remover. I wish I did, but I don't, and so since I don't, this is the tools that I will be using. Save the judgment for somebody who cares. Thank ya. Press it down on top of the lint. Give it a good rubbing. Make sure that the tape is adhered to the fabric. And then I pull it back like a wax. Yes. And that removes the lint. So let's do the rest of the jacket. I gathered some pins that I ordered from Amazon, and I placed them on the jacket. So far, I like what I see, but I think I want to play around with it a little bit more, so I'm gonna do that.